students, hope you're doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the next exercise, and before starting the exercise, just few points I want to tell you about the circles. Our next topic is circles, right? So in the previous video we studied about squares and rectangles, and in that the term perimeter was there, right? But in the circles, instead of perimeter, the word circumference is there. Okay, circumference, the total distance of a circle, that for that term, that word circumference is used. So first, just I want to tell you the definition. The distance around a circular region is its circumference. Suppose this is the circle and this line, this is the circular region. Okay, the total distance of this circle, that is the circumference. Okay, so here the circumference of a circle, in which when diameter is given to you, okay, when the question is having a diameter, and in that questions where you have to find the circumference of a circle, there we will going to use the formula pi d, pi into d, that is pi d. Okay, and you can write it as pi d. Okay, and if you have to find the diameter, for finding the diameter, there is C stands for circumference, circumference upon pi, right? Now come to the next, the approximate value for the pi. Okay, this is pi. The value for the pi is 22/7 and 3.14. These are the fixed value. It will be given in the question. If in case the value of pi is not given in the question, you can use 22/7 or you can use 3.14. Okay, please don't change the numbers. Okay, this 22/7 is not a rational number, right? It's a fixed value for the pi. It's an approximate value for the pi, and 3.14, right? Now this is all about the pi and its value. So when the question is about diameter, and in that question you have to find the circumference, use the formula pi d. Now when radius is given to you, okay, when radius is given to you, the formula is pi into radius, pi into diameter. Diameter is having how many radius? 2 radius. Okay, in one circle, this is the one radius and this is the another. So means, suppose this is the center, this is one radius and this is the another radius, right? So we are having, instead of diameter we can write 2 radius. So pi into 2r, that is circumference, is equal to C is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula when you have to use when radius is given. Okay, when radius is given to you in the question, there to find the circumference. How to find the circumference? The formula will be 2 pi r. Okay, when diameter is given, pi d. Okay, now come to the area of circle. Area of circle, the formula is pi r square. So we are talking about area. Okay, in the previous video I told you about the unit will be square. So it is very easy to remember. So when you're talking about area of circles, the formula is pi r square. And if the question is of semicircle, okay, how to find the area of semicircle? That is half pi r square. Semicircle means this kind of, okay, this is semicircle. Okay, this is semicircle. So find the for finding the area of semicircle, the formula is half pi r square. Okay, and for finding the radius in this area of circle, radius is equal to circumference upon 2 pi. So main formula, what you have to keep it in your mind, this, the first one, pi d, when diameter is given to you, to find the circumference. Okay, then next, when radius is given to you, that time you have to use this formula 2 pi r. Okay, and when area you have to find out, the formula is pi r square, and for finding the area of semicircle, the formula is half pi r square. Okay, these are the few things about circles. These are the formula that you have to keep it in your mind while solving the questions. Okay, so this is just an introduction about the circles topic. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, students, now come to question number 1. Okay, the question number one is to find the circumference of a circle, and given is radius, that is 14 centimeter, 28 millimeter, 21 centimeter. Right? These 3 questions. You have to find the circumference in this question, and radius is given to you. And the next thing is the value of pi is given in the question. Okay, most of the question the value is given to you, right? The value of pi is 22/7 here. So first we are going to do this A1, that is 14 centimeter. So radius of the circle is given 14 centimeter. So circumference of the circles that we have to find out. Since the diameter is not given here, only radius is given here, the formula will be 2 pi r. Okay, so this is the formula, and in this perimeter and area chapter, formula is mandatory. Okay, so 2 pi r, 2, this is 2 into pi into r. Okay, value of pi is 22/7, and r means the radius. The first question we are going to do, that is the 14, that is 14. Okay, so just cut this 7 and 14, you will get 2 here. Okay, you will get 2. So 2 into 22, that is 44. 44 into 2 is 88. Okay, so 88 centimeter is the first answer. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to the next one, that is 28 millimeter. So in this question also we have to find the circumference. The formula is 2 pi r. What you have to do is just put the value of pi here, that is given 22/7, and next is into 28. Okay, so 2 pi r, 2 into 27 and 22/7 into 28. Cut this, 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. Multiply 4 into 22 into 2. So you will get 176 millimeter. Okay, so this 21 centimeter, this you have to do it by yourself. So this one is homework for you. Just simple, just write radius of this. I have written 14 there. So radius of the circle, in the place of here 28, you can write 21. Circumference of the circle is given 2 pi r. Okay, this is the formula you have to use. So 2 into 22/7, the value is given. Just in the place of 28, you have to write 21 there. Cut this 7 and 21, you will get 3 here. So 3 into 22 into 2. That's the final answer. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay. Okay, now come to question number 2. Here we have to find the area. Okay, so find the area of a circle. Radius is given to you 14 millimeter. The value of pi is given 22/7, but the formula for the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so here radius given 14 millimeter. Formula is pi r square. R square means we are raising the power 2 times. Okay, that's why this square meant for. So 14 millimeter was given. So r square is, that is radius, 14 into 14 means 2 times. So 22/7 into 14 into 14. So when you cut 7 and this 14, you will get 2 here. Then after that, you have to multiply this 2, 14 and 22. So 249.22, when you multiply, you will get 616 millimeters square. Okay, the square unit is very mandatory for finding the area. Only area you have to use this square unit. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it.